Welcome to Top 4 Earn Channel.
To automation to $200 per day. I'm going to show you the fastest way to automate YouTube without making videos, how this is super easy for newbies, scalable like crazy, and makes great passive income. However, this is only for you if you are a long-term thinker. If you are hooked on instant gratification, if you're short-minded and you can only think as far as a month or two, well, you're not really going to be successful. So I recommend you leave this video and don't continue wasting your time watching this video. Now, my goal for this video is to show you exactly how to automate a YouTube channel so you can spend $40 and get $80 back, making you long-term passive income, right? So you can maybe quit your job, maybe make more income on YouTube than you do a full-time job, and work from home, make money online, and reap the rewards of that. But before that, if you like videos on how to grow, automate, and monetize a YouTube channel without showing your face, remember to slap that subscribe button and tick notification bell. So in this video, we have 3 steps. And the first step is going to be to select a niche and look at the price. Step number 2 is going to be to hire the automation team, right? And step number 3 is going to be the 2% rule. So we're going to jump right into step number 1. So why do you want to select a niche and look at the price? Well, not all niches are outsourceable. As you might realize, you can't really outsource PewDiePie. He is on the face, he has the community, he has the personality, and the reason you watch PewDiePie or Mr. Beast, for example, is because of the personality and the characters that you bring into the mix, and that cannot be outsourced. Some niches have way higher profit potential, and what I mean by that is normally entertainment versus education. If you have a niche in education, there is a lot of pain problems, a lot of problems that people want to fix because they want to get better, right? For example, if they want to lose weight, which is education, there's a ton of supplement, metabolism boosters, workout gear, and so on and so forth. With entertainment, there isn't really that much to sell except for merch. You can get sponsored and brand deals, but it's a different way to monetize like that. So the last is low view, high profit versus high view, low profit. One of the ones that I focus on the most is actually low view count with an extremely high profit margin. And the reason I do that is because I can get somebody that has a problem to spend $100 to $200 with me and actually help them overcome their problems, versus the high view count on YouTube is normally, like I said, entertainment, maybe top 10, scary stories and all of that, which can be good, but you want to make sure that you differentiate these two. It's very important. Now, what's involved in selecting a niche and looking at the price? Well, first of all, you have to select a niche that can be outsourced. So that means that you don't have to show your face. You can actually make content without having a personality. You can make content without walking around being like a vlogger or something like that, without being a character like Lele Pons, without traveling the world like Colder does. And when you think about selecting a niche, think about this saying, substance rather than style. It's not how interesting you are or how good you look, it's how much value you can give to each and every person watching your video. Now, the second thing that's involved is to actually find a high paying affiliate offer. If you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it is you can either sell physical products or digital products, and you get anywhere between like 10 and 50% of the sale. When you have a high paying affiliate offer, you can actually get monetized instantly without having to wait until you get to 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours, which is a very good benefit for you because you probably want to make money right away, right? So within the first week, you can actually make your first $100. And that's what affiliate offers allows you to do. And then you want to estimate how much it will cost to make a video. So we have a different few brackets where, for example, if you have a whiteboard animation video that is like Doodly, where they do all this custom animation, it can take a little bit more time than it, for example, you did a screen share video that I'm doing right now, just talking into the microphone, not having an entire script and all of that. These have different prices, and it goes anywhere from like $20 per video up to $150 per video. You can even grow it to like $500 per video, where you have like custom animations. Like for example, Improvement Pill has custom animation. He spends a ton of money on his videos. So you just want to get a ballpark of how much it would cost to make one single video. Now just imagine you have a niche where you can outsource all of the work. You have a high-paying affiliate product you can sell passively through the YouTube videos, so you can make money on YouTube without making videos, because it's all automated, right? So now hopefully you've selected a niche, you look at the price and see how much it is. Now step number 2 is going to be to hire the automation team. So why you want to hire that is obviously they do all the hard work for you. If you have all the team that does all of it for you, you don't have to work more than about 1 or 2 days per month in order for the system to go smoothly, like a purring Camaro, a little Ford Mustang that's like they do all the work for you. And there is a saying in the business world to work on your business and not in your business. One of the biggest problems I see with beginner YouTubers is that they start in the business, and not even in the business, they are the business. But if you hire a team to make the content for you, which is actually really simple, they work on your business. You can then work on your business. You can then work on your team and not be the core guy that everybody looks to, because that's not going to scale in the long term, right? And the obvious last one is you don't need to make the videos. So all of it is taken care of for you. And what's involved in hiring an automation team? Well, the first thing is that you should be looking to spend about $40 to $150 per video and making $80 back long term. Like I said, once again, if you, for example, start right now today, you spend $40 on a video, you're not gonna make that back today. You're not gonna make that back in a week. You're not gonna make it back in a month. It will take anywhere from like 6 months to a year in order for you to see the rewards of your labor. And I don't really care if I spend $40, because it's like a seed that I'm planting in the ground. And this seed will just grow into this beautiful tree. And if it goes a year, 2 years, I don't really care, because I know that in the future I can come and harvest what I've actually made. The second thing is that you need to order a script, voice, video, and thumb. This is the entire process in a nutshell. I have my script writer and my voice actor and all of my team that does all of this for me. And if you've never ordered anything online, literally just do it as a test, just because it will show you how extremely easy this is. And once you order and make the first video from scratch without doing the work yourself, you will have a new perspective on how to invest, how to make money that you probably never realized before. And the last thing is to invest at least $500 per month for 12 videos. So one of my channels right now, I'm investing at least $500 per month for 12 videos. And why 12 videos? Because it fits perfectly Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 4 weeks per month, right? And with that, you have this extreme consistency that is required to make it happen on YouTube. If you're just publishing a ton of videos and then not publishing at all for a long time, it will die off so fast, and you'll never ever become a successful YouTuber if consistency is not part of your plan. So now imagine having an entire automation team doing all the work for you. You just come up with 12 titles per month, and they finish the rest, making it so effortless for you to make money on YouTube in the YouTube business. So now I showed you the select a niche and look at the price, how to hire and automate the team. Now I want to show you step number 3, the 2% rule. Also make it exponential. So why do you want to make it exponential? Well, you want to make it like a feedback loop where success feeds more success. To perfectly illustrate this, let's just imagine that to make one video, it costs you $40, right? And let's just say that in this video, you sell an affiliate product. That affiliate product, if you sell that, you make $40. So you make $40 back with just one sale of that affiliate product. Now, the reason why this business model is so good is that this $40 that you just made right now, you can feed that back again into making another video. So as you can see, you make $40, you make another video, and then you can afford 2 videos, which makes $40. And that means that 2 becomes 4, becomes 8, becomes 16, and it doubles and doubles and doubles over time. And this is an exponential feedback loop, and it's essentially how you make it exponential. For example, compared, if you would make the video yourself, you would have a stop of, hey, I can't really afford to make more videos because you're doing all the work yourself, you're spending a lot of time, and that's why you definitely want to have this in here. So another reason you want to make it exponential is that the more money you make, the more you make. Essentially, you will start building up a ton of cash through these YouTube channels. And what happens is that you will be like me, that you have so much money that you don't even know where to invest it. And what I do with all my money is that I start investing in new YouTube channels. So I'm starting more and more YouTube channel using this exact system that I'm teaching you right now to make more money, and that money makes me more money because of the systems I have in place. Then you might be asking, what is involved with making it exponential? How can I do it? Well, learning from the analytics of each video you produce. So when I first started, I thought like, okay, if I want to make 12 videos a month, I can just do that 12 times, right? And then I can just schedule it out throughout the entire year. But what I found was that you definitely want to look at your analytics to see which one does really good, which one does really bad. And then you do step number 2 right here, which is double down on what works. Even at a monthly, 2-month basis, you should always look at your analytics and see, okay, what titles are actually getting me the most amount of views? And then you double down on exactly that. And that's how you make it exponential, because you learn from the past success and then you make a second version of that success. And that makes the feedback loop happen, if you know what I mean. The last thing in making it exponential, and you can't really do it if you don't do this, is to reinvest your earnings. So like I said in the beginning, to be a long-term thinker, you have to think in 6 months and a year from now. If I invest $500 each and every month for, let's say, 4 months, that's $2,000, right? And let's say that you sell like 5 affiliate products and you make $100 each. That means that you made $500, but you spend $2,000. So you're in a minus $1,500. But this is what happens in the beginning when you do this strategy. You always start in the negative, and then obviously over time, you will recoup your investment. Now, if you stop everything and you don't reinvest, you take out all your money, this feedback loop, this train that you've been working so hard to start pushing that train. If you stop, it's gonna take so much time to get that train up to speed again and keep the momentum. You always want to keep the momentum as much as possible. And that's why you want to reinvest your earnings if you obviously want the fastest and biggest result. So now you can imagine that every video you post is a learning opportunity. And one day you see one of your videos take off, then you double down on what works. So you're able to live off YouTube, just keeping up the momentum of your breakthrough and your first viral video. So that's essentially my model for how to do YouTube animation. Select a niche that is unfaceable, uncharacterable, and look at the price. Is it too expensive? Is it cheap? And do some math to figure out. Step 2, obviously hire the automation team. Without my team, I wouldn't really be able to do anything. And step number 3, make it exponential. Don't take out that money. Learn from your previous mistakes and your previous work, and that's how you will gain massive momentum towards 2021 and beyond. That's gonna be today's video. Thank you so much for subscribing to this YouTube channel to not miss out on my future updates. Also, I do have a free YouTube automation masterclass in the description down below. as well as my paid premium course that you can check out. But I hope to see you on my channel next week. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you inside of my belly button.